today I've got the Technic, and I have got it on good authority. I say good authority, but I think this is definitely the 2021. If you don't know, Technic have a lot of calendars out, but this one, when I purchased this one, it says it's the cosmetic advent calendar. It said it was the 2021, whereas none of the other ones have said that. But I've purchased a few. So I've had the Technic Halo one, I've had a Technic one in a little Christmas house. I don't know if they just make loads of advent calendars. I honestly don't know. But I feel like this is the 2021. I've never seen this one around till just the other day. If you can hear licking, somebody is licking their foot. She is in the back, so if you hear funny noises, it's her. You often hear her snoring in videos. But yeah, so this one is £20, and not £20, 2021, I think. I'm going to be like the Technic advent calendar unboxing by the end of this year. But anyways, we're going to unbox the Technic 2020 advent calendar. So first up, I will say is the packaging is beautiful. I paid literally just under £15 for this, so it works out at something like 60 something pence a day. If my maths right, I don't know. But it is such a pretty advent calendar. It is such a pretty advent calendar. So we're going to unbox it. And anyway, so we're looking for day number 1, which is up here. I'm hoping it's easy to open because I haven't got my tool on me. Day number 1 is this gorgeous, like greeny, tealy sort of little quad. I have been loving these little quads. Actually, I've tried a couple. I've kept a couple from these. Sometimes I keep them, sometimes I don't. I always like to let you know. I tried a couple, and I will say they're formulas of these quads. I can't specifically say for this exact one, but the ones I have tried have been a lot better than what they used to be. So we've got day number 2. Where are you? Day number 2 is right here, down in the bottom. We have a pencil sharpener. This is a filler product, it really is. Sometimes I can kind of get on board with it, but I've opened that many advent calendars this year. I'm sick of the sight of pencil sharpeners. So I'm going to put that in my filler set pile, and we'll count how many products I think we've got as fillers. Day number 3 is a big one here. And what do you betting it's nail stickers? I feel like the packaging made this seem like it was so good. I'm already on a downer about it. It is the mass-produced mirror. I said in the last one that I feel like this mirror is absolutely mass-produced, and I really do think it is. And it's not the best quality mirror. I mean, granted, you can see yourself in it. You can see yourself in it. But yeah. Right, we want day number 4. So where are you? We've got day number 4 here. And we have something green. So day number 4 is a colour corrector. So this is the second time we've had a colour corrector. But this is in like a lipstick tube. That is bizarre. That is absolutely bizarre that it is in that sort of tube. The other one actually had a doe foot applicator. You'll get more product in this one. So I don't know how I feel about that, but it is a proper product, so I'm happy about that. So we want day number 5, and day number 5 is this one here. Day number 5 is this gorgeous little quad. I'm actually going to keep this for myself. I'm going to swatch this. The swatches there from there. Just ignore these two there from a previous video. Yeah, these shimmers look beautiful. This one was a bit kind of patchy, but I feel like with a brush it might pick up different. I'm excited about that. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. That was day number 5. So we want day number 6, which is up here. Oh, this one seems a bit easier to open. Day number 6 is a mascara. It's just like a basic black mascara. Yeah, I feel like Technic do such good makeup. And this is like not one of the mascaras they sell. It's just a standard mascara that has been mass produced for their advent calendars, in my opinion. It's a product, so I'm happy about that. I mean, I could be totally wrong about this mascara. I'm actually going to be doing get ready with me's, not testing, but get ready with me's of makeup that I've kept from these advent calendars. I've boxed quite a few with Technic advent calendars, so I will have a Technic one coming. Yeah, so we want day number 7, which is up here. Day number 7 is a tiny little nail file. I say this in every one, and you probably all are like, my god, why do you use? I'm not thrilled about this product, but I do actually like these tiny little nail files because I put them in my purse. Like, these tiny ones actually fit in my purse, but then I suppose you can buy like little tiny nail files to put in your purse too, but I do actually like these. But I have had quite a few this year. Yeah, so I've got enough little tiny purse nail files to last me a lifetime. But yeah, I do. I'm just being honest with you, I do. But nail files are very, very cheap. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I like that. But I will put it in the filler pile for use. Right, we want day number 8, and it is down here. And we have got a beautiful nail polish. Got a purple nail polish, like a purple nail polish. It needs a bit shaken up, I feel like. Yeah, it needs a bit of a shaken up, but we've got a purple nail polish, so that's nice. Right, so we want day number 9, which is this square here. Dabbed it with my nail, but day number 9 is this really like bright, in my opinion. It's coming across dark. Well, I suppose they are dark, but they're like really different sort of shades. Not what I was expecting at all, but it took me ages to open that up, and honestly, it was like it was suction sealed. So that was day number 9. So we want day number 10. Where are you, day number 10? Day number 10 is here. Day number 10 is an eyebrow eyeliner pencil in a brownie shade. I've gotten this a few times. I've actually used one of them up before. I liked it. It wasn't the best pen eyeliner thing. Have you seen this? That was in the world, but I did use it up. So that was day number 10. So we want day number 11, which is down here. And you see Amina snoring. She's just there snoring. Right, we have a lipstick, and this is in a very like coral shade. She gets louder. Mina. She hasn't even got her eyes closed. Day number 11, so we want day number 12, which is here. We have got a eyeliner pencil, and it is in a black shade. Day number 13. Day number 13 is a really nice shade of blue. It's kind of like a little bit like the blue on my nail there. It's really nice, and as you can tell, I like that shade. I've got it on my nails now. I'm telling you, she's doing it on purpose. Day number 14 is a big one, which is exciting. And it is not exciting. It is eyebrow stencils. That was eyebrow stencils. That was a really, really big letdown. Like a really, really big letdown. That is when in the filler products. We've got day number 15 now. I feel like this is a lipstick by the shade. It is the mini cute beauty blender thing. If you guys don't know, I unboxed one of the Technic advent calendars the other day, and we got a little, either it was a blue one, I think, little tiny beauty blender, and I don't know what it is, but I've somehow come across this little baby beauty blender addiction since that advent calendar, and this is like a little cute beauty blender. And honestly, I just have no use for these. I don't know why. I could use them for my under eyes or something like that, but I love them. I think it's because it's tiny. Just saying. but I love that though. So that was day number 15. We went day number 16. I know I'm sad, I'm sorry. Right, we went day number 16. Oh, and someone is pumping. Day number 16 is a beautiful like purpley plum shade. I'm actually going to keep this for myself. It reminds me a bit of MAC Rebel. It is definitely not the shade I thought it was, but yeah, it is actually more like an iridescent baby pink. That did not look like that to me. Yeah, that is that there. Right, that was day number 16, so we went day number 17. I'm losing my way. We have got it's a highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter. Ooh, right, let's have a look what this is like then. Right, I'm going to do it on this hand. Oh my god, loads came out. I thought this was going to be like a sheer lip glossy thing, but it is actually not. It is actually a liquid highlighter. I think I way had too much out. Wow. Yeah. That is pretty intense. The lights are not even showing how intense it is. Wow. Right, so we want, I've lost where I was. Day number 18 is this long one here. I'm going to talk up so you can hear me past Nina snoring. Day number 18 is a pale pink lip liner, not my shade at all or anything like that. Right, so we want day number 19, which is down here. We've got a random product flying about which has just fell here, so I don't know what door that was from. Day number 19 is like a beautiful pale pink nail polish, and these look like they're in a different actual type of container, like a new bottle. Yeah, they look nice. They look really nice. I'm covered in highlighter and everything off my hand. Like, can you see? Right, that was day number 19. So we want day number 20. We have got a toe separator. We have one toe separator. My lord, I hate that. And it is a really smaller toe separator. I hate it when they give you a really small toe separator. I don't know. That is, in my opinion, a filler. If you're going to give us a toe separator, give me two. So we want day number 21, which I feel like is where the missing product has come from. Yeah. So day number 21 is this really not very good brush. It's a kid's brush, really, to be honest. The bristles are staying in though, so they are improving, but yeah, it's just not for me. It's not for me at all. That was day number 21. We've got day number 22. Ooh, what's this? This is different. We have got a eyebrow powder quad trio. Yeah, and it is a good size. Like, it is a good size. That is it there. Yeah, that is really a good product actually. Day number 23. Number 23 is some nail gems, and honestly it's in the same situation as the last. It's like half empty. Yeah, so I'm going to put that in the filler. I like getting nail gems. I love nail products, but yeah, that's the filler for me. Not enough nail gems in it. Day number 24 is a big oh, this looks nice. Number 24 is a bronzer, and honestly this looks so nice. So nice. I'm not going to swatch it because I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with it, but that is so nice. Really nice. I feel like that would work really well as a bronzer, and Technic actually do really nice makeup products. Right, that is that advent calendar. What do I think of it? It is definitely better. They are definitely improving. I feel like I got a decent-ish amount of products for my £15, but it's still not like a wowzer, you know. I'm counting my fillers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fillers. I didn't even realise there was that many fillers actually, but now that I've counted it. And then there's a couple items that I'm not 100% keen on the colours and shades, but that's like the risks you take with advent calendars. The packaging is beautiful. Works out 67 pence a day. I can't remember what I said. Yeah, it's all right. I liked it. It's one of the better Technic advent calendars, and I feel like it is definitely aimed at teens and things like that. So I feel like a teenager might be happy with this. I will link it down below if it's still available, because advent calendars are selling really fast, and you've got to get there quick. Yeah, come here, Mina, come on. Since someone joined us the whole way through the video, I thought she'd best say bye to Minnie. Say bye. Since she joined us with her commentary all the way through. But anyways, if you didn't know, I'm actually giving away, I'm going to make my own little advent calendar up for one of you to win with a product from each of my advent calendars. More likely the higher end advent calendars, obviously. But it will be like a product from each one of my advent calendars that I haven't touched. Or I may have opened it like what I did with this bronzer, but I haven't swatched or anything like that. But I give away 25 little gifts to one of you. But I am actually doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway too, because I recently just hit 2,000 subscribers and I am absolutely chuffed. I cannot believe I hit 2,000 subscribers. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I've got, like I say, lots of giveaways coming soon, and I have uploaded loads of advent calendar unboxings. Absolutely loads. I saved up all year for advent calendars this year, so I'm enjoying it. This was my treat to myself. This was my 30th birthday present to myself. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.